you guys. Just as you started doing that, I realized I'm not wearing any lipstick, but hey guys, what is up? I am with Desi. Desi's driving. I'm not driving for once in my life. It feels nice. I thought that I would vlog today. I have been very sick for about 2 weeks now. I'm starting to feel better, and I thought that today I would take you guys on a little trip to America. We are going to go to Target today. I really love Target's Christmas shop. I can show you any of the new home decor they have and stuff like that. So yes, I thought today we would just film a Target shop with me. Do I still sound a little sick? A little bit. Yeah? Desi looks really good today. I want to show you guys her eyeshadow when she's not driving and I'm not shoving a camera in her face. Left on Niagara Falls Boulevard. I feel like the countdown to Christmas is like officially on. We're almost like a month away. These are my favorite vlogs to watch on YouTube. I love watching people go to Target. Do you agree, like when they go to Target, they don't show you everything and I'm like, y'all, I want to see what Target has, you know what I mean?
It's more like, ooh, I'm at Target.
Yeah, and I'm like, no, I want to see what I can buy. So that's what I'm gonna try to like do with you guys today and show you kind of the goods and all that stuff. So yeah, we're almost there. Let's do this. I have lips again. I feel like this is an obvious thing that we will probably need this. We are in the dollar section. Ooh, that's nice. Thought we'd look here first. See if they have any good stocking stuffer stuff. Little tags. They have a bunch of greeting cards, $3. Different kinds. This one's really cute. I like this one. Some candles, some really cute coasters, plaid and sparkles. Christmas socks, some little wreathy things. Little boots. These little planters. Lots of little glitters, Christmas trees. Someone definitely dropped a glitter. Okay, so we are gonna start probably in clothing. You had a couple things that you saw on like, there's this, I don't know if you guys know, but there's this Instagram called Target Does It Again, and she kind of like posts all the really cool stuff at Target. But you saw a sweater, right? A couple. So we're gonna try to see if we can find them. Ooh, look at these gloves. Those are definitely my color. Ooh, oh my gosh, feel these. Oh my gosh, they're like chenille. Oh my god. That is so nice. Wait to show your eye makeup. Look at this. Isn't this so nice? Don't we love this? I really love this scarf. Wow, they have really cute things. Look at these little toques. The little glitter on them. Okay, here's my scarf of choice. Desi's gonna try this one on for you guys. It's cute. And it's so nice to like, that's what I want around my neck, you know what I mean? It's so soft. I think I'm gonna get this. I really like this pattern. $17 if you are interested. There's like a handbag. How much is she? $24.99? Do you mean, does it have a strap in it?
Yeah.
I don't think so, because like, where would you strap it onto? No.
Oh, there's no one there.
No strap, but it's cute. Oh my gosh, look at this one, Desi. That is so nice.
Everything you are.
And I don't own anything red like that. How much is it? $24.99. So this is the, I guess, brand Universal Thread. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't like that one actually. I thought I would like that one, but behind it. Oh, this is nice. Wait, what is this? Is this sunglasses holder? Okay, I hate Target. Everything's just so cute. Right now, but... Yeah, wow, you'd hate my closet because I hang everything. That's really nice. That looks so comfortable. This is cute and all, but this is, also comes in pink. And then there's these little lanyard thingies. Oh God, my heart just died and went to heaven. Okay, so there's a hat. I don't think I can even pull off hats, but this is really cute. They have this like pink bag, but they have this This is so nice. I just don't see the point of this unless this has, no, it's just a clutch. But clutches, I feel like I wouldn't really use that much. But then there's this like backpack version as well. Also this fluffy guy, he's really soft. They're really into the clutches right now. Big, nice, cozy brown cardigan. What's this guy? Ooh, see, this is really cute. I like that. How many times am I gonna say this is really cute in this vlog, Desi? Clearance, 30% off. This guy is really awesome. We got some cowboy boots going on. I'm on the hunt for like tall ones though. Oh, damn. But I feel like I want to thrift the cowboy boots. I want a pair of white ones, but I don't know that I want them to have that black heel. I feel like I want to thrift a pair. All right, also on our list, Desi and I had these slippers, but I don't know if I see them. They were kind of like what the sunglass case was made out of. But yeah, I'm not seeing them. That's a bummer, but we might go to a second Target. These ones are cute. Look at this friggin' jacket. This is so nice. I don't need another jacket. I have like 100 million jackets, but it's like a Sherpa denim jacket. The inside is really soft. Don't need it though, Tasha. You don't need it. Nice little pink toque. Very soft. Where should we go next? We can go to seasonal or we can go to home decor. I feel like I'm very excited about seasonal, so maybe we should hold it for that last. Why is the light so bad? Yeah, hold it for last. You wanna do that? Yep. So my favorite thing to clean my beauty blender with is the peppermint version of this Dr. Bronner's, but pretty sure we don't have hemp citrus at home. So I'm definitely gonna get this to try. Oh, that's nice. So they have like Zoella stuff. I didn't know that Target had that either. Man down. They have these really cute trash cans with like lids, which is kind of cute because then you don't have to look at the trash. These ones are nice as well. I don't need any of this, but I just want to look at stuff. One thing I am looking for today is a blanket, and I'm not sure if I'm going to find it at Target, but kind of want it to be sort of like this, like my jacket is, but in this kind of beigey color. So that's something I am keeping my eye out for. These are nice. They look so comfy. Have a little bit of macrame on the corner. I like that. Ooh, okay. So this is kind of the blanket I was looking for. Amazing. Wow, I'm so happy. Okay, $29.99. So there was one at like Urban Outfitters and it was so expensive. I wanted this for like the dog bed. Ooh. Velvet pillowcases. Kind of changes color as you move it. But we also liked this guy, which had tassels on him, but I think I'm gonna stick with getting this because I wanted something that looked like Sherpa for my room tour. They literally have this little dog section. Oh my god, little leashes, little hats. Oh god, I would never, but and then they have like a bunch of like treats and stuff as well. What is this? Cat lovers playing cards, Desi. Of course there's this stocking that I love, but like I shouldn't be buying new stockings, should I? Like, no. But I truly want to be, but I won't. Some cute little water bottles. Oh, glass. Oh, that's so nice. I really wanted like a new set of sheets as well. Target has a 3-piece duvet cover set, linen. They're cotton blend, but that's fine because it's 60 bucks. So this is queen. I think I'm gonna get it. Seems like they're a lot warmer than the ones that I've seen at other stores. Little lamps for 10 bucks. They're cute, eh? I feel like I could really use one, but thing is, I don't really like lampshades. When have you ever seen like a good looking lampshade? I've like never. We have made it to home decor. Oh my goodness, is there anything down here that we should see? Fluffy little ottoman, some cute little lamps. Don't need any of this, just nice, 30% off. However, I really like this guy, and I've wanted kind of like a terracotta vase for a while. But I've been having a lot of trouble thrifting one. This is, oh my god, clearance, $4. Oh, that is friggin' amazing. I think I'm gonna have to get that. It says regular 15 bucks. Maybe I will think about you. Big envelope. That's nice. I like that. I have these. They're still in the box from when I hauled them from my last video. Like Target haul. Look at these amazing frames. These are so nice. Oh my gosh, so much cool stuff I've already seen. Are these little vases? They are. Those are really sick. This is nice. Ooh, I really like that guy. little wicker trays. I just want to show you guys everything because when I'm watching these I'm like, could you show me more? Thank you. Little wicker baskets. What is this?
It's like a Brussels.
I think it's like an acorn, but maybe it's just decorative. So I really like this guy. Desi was like, oh, those would be really cool to, like, you know, those pampas grass things I have. She's like, those would be really cool to stick those in. And I was like, do you know how many things like this I have to stick those in? It's very echoey. This is what it looks like. I'm having a hard time putting this down. Desi is over here dying over the scent of a candle. Are you? Is it good?
Kinda, yeah. It smells so lemony and nice.
Lemon. Ooh, that is nice. They also have a smaller version of the vase, eh, Desi? I don't know. What is this? Is this literally a wooden ball? Oh, great. It is. It's legit a wooden ball. In case anyone is in the market for a wooden ball, Target has them. Oh, it's like a vase for the, yeah, I was gonna say this would be really cool for your makeup brushes.
Oh, true.
Right? I really like this guy, but he probably is pretty fall. Desi saw these, like rosemary grow bag, sweet pea. There's like a miniature pumpkin one as well. Might be a little out of order, but that's just how it's set up right now. But this is Opal House, but there is some like Christmas stuff here. These are really pretty. Gold garland. What else do we have? I don't know. This aisle's like pretty empty and random. Some Opal House stockings and some more pillows. Some cute little wall decor sets. Cactus. That is such a nice mirror. Ooh. This
23 bucks.
Ooh, that's a good deal. That is really nice. Oh, this is what everyone's been telling me that they sell here. I'm probably gonna have to get some of those because...
Oh yeah, you were looking for larger ones.
Yeah, right? Those aren't as dark as mine, but I feel like once you put some stuff in them, we'll probably darken it up. Is it nice to have them all matching with all my other spice ones, or like would it be kind of nice, you're not even in it, would it be kind of nice if like you had the different ones for the flower? Like you don't want everything like to repeat the same pattern, right? Because like,
yeah, it's like you want like the spice to maybe have one thing going on, then you can change it up for like the bigger ones maybe.
Yeah.
Instead of having like
why would I want them all to be the same?
This is true.
I did like this guy. I just feel like I can very much thrift something like this. I was looking for baskets to store some of the store stuff in, but none of these really speak to me. These are kind of cool little wall decor things, but yeah, nothing really. So I think we can go right into Christmas decor. You ready for Christmas decor?
Am I?
So we're pretty much like in the Christmas decor now, I would say. Look where we are. My favorite. Look at these little disco balls. Cute, cute, cute. Little birdies. I just love Christmas decor. I really want to change up my coloring this year though, so I just kind of wanted to come and see what they got. I'm probably going to be doing more like goldy, bronzy stuff, but I want to try to thrift these ornaments. Oh, look at these little floofy ornaments. I also have to get an ornament for the dogs because I get them an ornament every single year, so that's kind of what I'm on the hunt for. Cute. Oh my god, I was literally about to say America. We're not American, and then I was like, oh, we are in America. A little hanging tree. Yeah. 10 bucks.
That's not bad.
So these are the stockings that I have, but it's so funny. They used to make them really, really nice. Like they used to embroider them, like with like stuff around them. But that was just 1 year, and they don't do that anymore. But these are the stockings that I have for the poopers. I think we are done doing all the Christmas stuff now, so I think we're gonna go to the other Target and see if they have anything that this one didn't. Got like a full cart pretty much. Desi is brushing the snow off the car. It is snowing like freaking crazy. She just brushed this off. How snowy, you're a snow angel. Look at this.
I was about to say Canada, but we ain't.
We ain't in Canada. Hi y'all, we are at Target numero 2. We just got snowed on so hard. My hair is not even curly anymore. You literally wear the necklace and you put the other half on your dog's tag. That is freaking cute. These are the mules that Desi and I were looking for at the other store. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Are you supposed to wear them outside? Because they're like shoes.
Yeah.
But,
They're like outdoor shoes.
but you would not want to wear those outside, would you?
Not right now.
Even in the summer.
In the summer, yeah.
Okay, let's try these on. You're 7?
7, 7.5.
Oh my god, you have such tight feet. I would wear these just around the house as like house shoes, I think. So they only have D, no other ones. I wanted to get the dog's initials.
But you can get D for dogs.
You could write Oaks Hotch Girly in this in like a gold marker. You'd have to be really good at like writing backwards. All right, so we could only find an O for Oaks. We were thinking we could maybe just write on this wooden ornament for the dogs and write like Oaks Hotch Girly, but I kind of come back to this and I kind of think this might be the best option. So I think we'll get this one. My favorite ever. I'm so excited. This chocolate milk is like the most heavenly thing. If you've never tried this, you need to try it. I am so happy. This Target has like such a crazier home section. Like, it's a bit crazy. I knew that, but I still wanted to go to the first one because I find that they always have like different stuff. There's actually a bunch of stuff. Oh, my chair, you guys, my chair, my chair, my chair. Oh my god, it's so much, it's even prettier in person, isn't it?
It is.
I can't even buy it. It wouldn't even fit in your car and you drove. Someone should get this chair and send me pictures of them in it because I just love it so much. We're done. We did 2 Targets in one day. It is snowing so hard. We are ready to go home. My camera battery is dying. Obviously that means we had a full day of Target. If you guys would like me to do a haul, please thumbs up this video and I can do that as like the next video if you guys want to see that. Thank you guys for hanging out. I had a blast today. I don't really shop very often, so this has kind of been a blast. Yeah, love ya. Bye, Desi. We have matching hats now too.